Hey guys, it's Lynn with Lash, and today I wanted to talk to you guys about isolation. So isolation is when you are separating one natural lash from all the other lashes to ensure that you are not going to damage your client's lashes. Now, there are some tricks that you can do. So one trick that you can do with isolation is you can grab a tape and tape up the extensions that are already on there, and as you do that, the natural lashes will come out, and that way your isolation is a little bit easier, and you can see the other natural lashes that you still haven't put the extensions on. So like that. Now, isolation is super important because when you're gluing more than one natural lash, you can cause damage to your client's lashes because each lashes are growing at their own pace. So as you can see here, there's different lengths in her natural lashes. So this one is mature now. So this will eventually fall out sooner than this one because this one is midway. So if you're gluing both of these together, the lashes, as it's growing out, will pull on the other natural lashes, and that'll cause damage over time. So you really want to make sure you're only adding one extension to that natural lash. So if you're having a hard time with isolation, this tape method is really great, and it makes your job so much more easier and faster. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment and I'll be happy to answer them. Have a great day.